Hi, nice to meet you.
I'm Dr. Wendy Anderson, and I'm a professor at Stetson in the Environmental Science Department. I'm also the director of the Sustainable Food Systems Program. Tonight we're actually hosting a special event featuring one of my colleagues in the Mouth Department, Dr. Hari Pulapaka, who is an American Academy of Chefs featured chef. And Hari is cooking a very special dinner for us tonight, which is his specialty. And it is a sustainably sourced, healthy, nutritious meal that is going to be served to 22 special guests who are interested in being friends of our Sustainable Food Systems program.
And we're happy to be here because my wife Lilas and I are very much supportive of the food and health sustainability programs.
Hi everyone, this is Hari Pulapaka, Chef Pulapaka, Dr. Pulapaka here at Stetson University. Welcome to the beautiful campus of Stetson University here in DeLand, Florida, and the absolutely fantastic CCA and Hyatt Brown building for health and innovation. This evening we have a wide array of beautiful dishes that have been made from ingredients from our garden, sustainable, healthy, delicious, all of those things, and 22 lucky guests are going to indulge in the festivities of the evening. It's a 6-course meal with wine pairings, and all of the proceeds for this evening will go towards helping promote the possibilities for what is possible here with the Sustainable Food Systems program, the students first, and all that goes with making the world of food on our planet healthy, delicious, and accessible for all.